Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create these stunning text animations easily in a Canva. As you can see now on the screen. I made 3 different animations and I'm going to teach you all how you can do it. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I opened a new Canva page. I already copied the first slide. First, I just increase the timings to 10. We need this to get a longer transition period. And just duplicating the page. And for the first one, I go into the effects and use shadow, and I just choose a random color. Now with this this purple. The second one, I'm just going to back. Okay, that was the second one was with outline. So going back to effects, outline, and they're just choosing again other color to make it more visible. And the last one, I use the neon effect and increase the intensity to even to 100. And now just show going. Here nothing happened, just jump from one to the other. But if I'm going between the two slides and at transition, I'm going to go to the match and move and increase the duration to 5 seconds. This is why I increase the length of one page to 10 seconds to get this 5 seconds of transition period. And now if I starting the animation, as you can see, we will have a same result. All 3 animation going very nicely, and that was the reason why I choose the 5 seconds. Due to if I going to here and changing the timing to like 0.9 seconds, you will see the same transition going to happen, but much faster. Now we have to wait a minute more. As you see, that's the same animation happened, but the duration was less. That means the animation is much faster. I increased to 5 seconds back. And if still too long to do this 15 seconds, the thing what we can do, we can download this video. So it's downloaded, and I have to go to the upload and just have to upload this video. Now it's uploaded, and just open a new page, moving to this video, and now changing the zoom page to zoom thumbnails and to 500. As you can see, the length of the page is now it's 5 times more, and in this case we can do it much better. As you can see, it's already started the transition. So I can cut, so split the page and just delete, and just moving. Now it's already done, and I can split the page again here, and now I have a 6.5 seconds of animation. I can delete the others. So here is the animation without the boring parts in front and after the animation. And this is how we can create any of this animation, which is actually an effect, which are those are the effects, text effects, what we can use. But with this match and move transition, we can create an animation. So now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to press this small like button if you would like the video, and see you in my next one. Ciao.